the information about what words are off-list words in the text is very helpful when we prepare for an SL session. Off-list words are the words that are not K1 and K2 words, and they are from K3 to K25. Off-list words that appear in the text are often interesting, and some of them are keywords for the story. So we want to explain those words using the words that they already know, and that's the linguistic supplementation. Some of the off-list words are easy, like at K3 or K4, but some of them are quite complex. Because preparation includes not only translating the words into the student's native language, but also find out in different ways to explain the unknown words, the low-frequency words. The preparation takes more time when we have many off-list words. When I prepare for an SL lesson, I use different dictionaries to find the definitions of the word, and also I use thesaurus to look for synonyms and antonyms, and then I also use other sources to find different expressions, and sometimes I need to find out how to pronounce some words. But it's not necessary to explain all the low-frequency words that appear in the text. I think it is a good idea to use the words that you feel comfortable about, and the words that the students are ready to acquire, and also the words that the students find interesting. So it's not that we don't have to be, as a non-native speaker teacher. I sometimes am afraid of these low-frequency words, but we don't have to be afraid of those, because I think we can use the words that we feel comfortable, and it's more important that the teacher feels comfortable about telling that story than trying to use off-list words when she does the story listening session.